Rural, construction and manufacturing are all great industries of New Zealand. Working in New Zealand has its own unique challenges, obviously around the climate and conditions. Growing up in a Kiwi family has taught us to work hard, to innovate and to care about our people. We're proud to be Kiwis. It shapes our family and it shapes our brand. My grandfather's always been hard working. He's always had a passion for people and always put family first. Several generations on, these commitments have never changed. Papa was farming since high school. In 1960, he took over the family sheep and beef farm in Bunnythorpe, Manawatu. Farming sheep means high quality fencing, and it's been in our blood since right from the beginning. So in 1964, he sold the family farm, and to better support his family, the conditions were tough. From the farm, he moved into Palmerston North and started working for an outdoor clothing company in sales. And eventually, in 1992, Delfast was started by Papa's two sons, Andrew and Ian. Papa's sheer hard work has definitely been ingrained in us all in our family. From the beginning, Delfast team has worked really hard in building relationships with our product users and a reputation for providing every Delfast user excellent service for our products. This commitment to serving our end users has never changed. It's a huge part of who we are. Over the decades, we've developed over 1,000 product lines for our end users' needs and to the unique challenges of the New Zealand climate. In 1998, we developed a fencing contractor stapler that changed fencing forever. Something that we couldn't have done without the relationships we built with our product users. We saw a need for a better product than what was on the market at the time. Our end users were frustrated and we wanted to do something about that. They needed something that would last and work in the unique conditions they were working in. So we developed our contractor's fencing stapler, which became a pivotal point for Delfast. Today, Papa's care and commitment to people has remained a foundation for Delfast. We're dedicated to improve our users and our community's lives. Our goal is to create an environment where people are confident to own the Delfast products they have, to think smarter, not harder for our end users, and to make building the best effortlessly. I'm James Curry, Director of Delfast.